Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI Tech channel. Today, we're diving into something a little puzzling. Nvidia, the undisputed king of AI chips, just launched its groundbreaking Blackwell architecture. You'd expect the stock to skyrocket, right? But it paused. What's going on? Is this a temporary blip or a sign of deeper issues? That's what we're going to unpack. We're going to break down the news, analyze the challenges Nvidia faces, and explore potential solutions for the company to maintain its dominance. Stick around, because this is crucial for anyone investing in AI tech. Let's get started. First, the news. Nvidia unveiled Blackwell, promising a massive leap in AI performance. Think faster training, bigger models, and more efficient energy consumption. This is the chip everyone's been waiting for. But almost simultaneously, there was a concern about DeepSeek, a Chinese AI startup, claiming to have built its R1 reasoning model using less expensive chips. This sent a shiver down investors' spines, wiping out nearly $600 billion from Nvidia's market value. The fear? That big tech might scale back their demand for Nvidia's premium offerings. This is the crux of the issue, and we need to examine it closely. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang stepped in to calm the waters. He emphasized that while DeepSeek's R1 is impressive, future AI models, especially when refining and improving their capabilities in post-training, will still heavily rely on Nvidia's computing power. He pushed back hard on the idea that AI progress means less need for intense computation. He clarified that teaching AI models to reason better, the next frontier, actually requires even more computing power. This is a critical point. The market's initial panic was based on a misunderstanding of where AI development is headed. It's not just about pre-training anymore. Post-training and inference are equally crucial, and they demand Nvidia's expertise. Now, let's analyze why the stock paused despite Blackwell's debut and Huang's reassurance. First, market expectations. Nvidia's stock has already had an incredible run, pricing in significant future growth. Blackwell's launch, while impressive, might have already been factored into the stock price. The market is always forward-looking, and sometimes, even groundbreaking innovations don't immediately translate into stock gains. Second, competition. While Nvidia dominates, it's not a monopoly. AMD is nipping at its heels with their own AI chip offerings, and companies like Google and Amazon are developing their own in-house chips to reduce reliance on external suppliers. This competitive pressure is a constant factor weighing on Nvidia's stock. Third, capacity constraints. Nvidia has struggled to meet the overwhelming demand for its chips. Even with Blackwell, there are questions about how quickly they can ramp up production to satisfy everyone. Remember what Supermicro said about stronger second-half revenue in 2025? That's a leading indicator, but it's still a projection. The market wants to see those numbers materialize. Fourth, the DeepSeek effect, while somewhat mitigated by Huang's comments, still lingers. The possibility, however remote, that cheaper alternatives could impact demand for Nvidia's high-end chips can't be completely dismissed. Investors are always looking for potential disruptions, and DeepSeek, whether justified or not, raised that flag. Let's dig deeper into the China factor. The U.S. government's export restrictions on advanced chips to China create a complex situation. While Nvidia can still sell modified versions of its chips to China, the restrictions limit their performance. This opens the door for Chinese companies like DeepSeek to explore alternative solutions, even if those solutions are initially less powerful. This is a long-term strategic challenge for Nvidia. They need to balance their commitment to innovation with the geopolitical realities of the U.S.-China relationship. This is a tightrope walk, and investors are watching closely. So, what does Nvidia need to do to reignite its stock momentum and solidify its AI dominance? Let's look at some key support plays. First, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, TSMC. As Nvidia's primary manufacturing partner, TSMC's success is directly linked to Nvidia's. Analysts at Barclays reiterated a buy rating on TSMC, with a price target suggesting a significant upside. This bullish outlook on TSMC is a positive sign for Nvidia, indicating strong demand and efficient production. TSMC's ability to deliver on its EPS forecast is crucial for Nvidia's supply chain and overall performance. Remember, a strong supply chain is just as important as a cutting-edge chip. Second, Broadcom. Broadcom plays a vital role in data centers, which are essential for training and developing AI models. These data centers rely heavily on Nvidia chips. Barclays also has an overweight rating on Broadcom, with a price target suggesting a potential upside. UBS Asset Management significantly increased its holdings in Broadcom, demonstrating confidence in the company's future. Broadcom's exposure to the growing data center market provides a strong tailwind for Nvidia. As AI development continues to accelerate, the demand for data center infrastructure will only increase, benefiting both Broadcom and Nvidia. Third, Alphabet, Google. Google's cloud computing business is another critical support pillar for Nvidia. Google's access to vast amounts of data gives it a significant advantage in developing and training AI models. Analysts at Citigroup reiterated a buy rating on Google, with a price target suggesting a substantial upside. Furthermore, short interest in Google has declined, indicating a shift in sentiment from bearish to bullish. Google's commitment to AI development and its strong cloud computing infrastructure make it a valuable partner for Nvidia. The synergy between these two companies is undeniable. The key for Nvidia is to demonstrate the true potential of Blackwell. This means showcasing its performance advantages in real-world applications, securing design wins with major customers, and effectively managing its supply chain to meet the surging demand. Nvidia needs to convince the market that Blackwell is not just an incremental improvement, but a revolutionary leap forward. They need to highlight the benefits of Blackwell in areas like generative AI, autonomous driving, and scientific computing. The more use cases they can showcase, the stronger their value proposition becomes. Nvidia also needs to address the competition head-on. This means actively promoting the advantages of its chips over rivals like AMD and in-house solutions from companies like Google and Amazon. They need to emphasize the performance, efficiency, and scalability of their products. Nvidia's full-stack AI hardware/software solution gives them a significant advantage. They need to continue investing in their software ecosystem to make it easier for developers to build and deploy AI applications on their platform. This is crucial for maintaining their competitive edge. Finally, Nvidia needs to manage expectations and communicate clearly with investors. This means providing realistic guidance on revenue growth, addressing concerns about capacity constraints, and explaining its strategy for navigating the geopolitical landscape. Transparency is key to building trust with the market. Nvidia needs to be upfront about the challenges they face and the steps they are taking to overcome them. This will help to avoid future surprises and maintain investor confidence. In conclusion, while Nvidia's stock pause after the Blackwell debut might seem concerning, it's important to remember the bigger picture. Nvidia remains the dominant force in the AI chip market, and Blackwell is a game-changing architecture. However, the company faces challenges, including competition, capacity constraints, and geopolitical uncertainties. To reignite its stock momentum, Nvidia needs to demonstrate Blackwell's true potential, address the competition head-on, and manage expectations effectively. The support from companies like TSMC, Broadcom, and Google will also be crucial. The future of AI is bright, and Nvidia is well-positioned to lead the way. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tech analysis. Thanks for watching.